Hello to everyone. Today we have a box. We have a totally generic cutter. Know what that means? That means today it's unboxing time, and we are going to unbox the Western Digital 3 TB external hard drive. Also, it's totally worth to mention that we have a brand new setup today. We have brand new softbox lights. We have a dual camera setup. So I would like to know actually in the comments below if you like the new setup, you like the new background. It's actually my workstation back there, and if you do enjoy the brand new overall look of the channel. So yeah, let's get down to business and open this bad boy up. We have quite a simple box here. It's quite white and just a few graphic details overall. Let's have a little look here. Okay, so foils. Have to get rid of these foils. Out with the foils, man. We don't care about foils. So let's get to the box. Oh wow! This looks so cool. Just opening the box, you can see that cool drive right in there. So check it out, it's quite cool. There's a hole. Oh, this is so cool. So I hope you can actually see this. There's a thank you for choosing Western Digital. There's a tiny hole in there and says, look, there's more inside. With one simple move, we have the hard drive out. Nice quality packaging. As you can see here from Western Digital. The drive is all wrapped up in this nice foil. A little front view, a little back view, a little side view. There's more inside. Okay, let's see what's more inside. Okay, empty box. Get out of here, empty box. I don't need you. Okay, so inside we do have a USB free cable, a good case of the RFM, more instructions here in the box. So we have an interesting power brick right here. It does come with a England standard charger. So this does come with interchangeable heads for a power supply. So if you live in England or Europe or any other country, you can use these to actually power up this hard drive. Pretty nice, sturdy looking, solid power brick. I'm going to give you the pleasure to actually hear this, because all this foil makes me shiver with anticipation. So check this out, guys. Oh yeah, that's a very nice, satisfying sound to hear. Oh, wait for it. Take two. Ha. Hear that. So satisfying. And what's not so satisfying, it's about that this drive has an overall glossy case. And I don't know if you can really see it here, but yeah. Not quite as a big of a fingerprint magnet as I would imagine, but with time, fiddling with the drive around, this might not look so good. Oh look, you can see your perfect reflection in it. You can use it as a mirror. Maybe in the morning, you know, having a little trim of the beard, you know, trying to look good. You can easily use this as to your advantage. You know, you don't have a mirror in the house. Oh yeah, I'll grab my 3 TB hard drive and I'll just do my hair, you know. What am I even talking about? This is crazy stuff, I tell you. Yeah, so glossy finish, hate it. To the back you have your USB 3.0 data port, you have your power adapter connection, and then a Kensington lock, so just in case you want to secure this drive to your desk. Coming to the end, to our unboxing section here, I hope you are quite interested in the features and the performance of this hard drive. as I am, because I'm quite interested in what kind of transfer rates and how will this actually perform. And to actually do that, I'm going to come back in the near future with a detailed review video of the Western Digital Elements hard drive. But until then, keep it cool, always be on the lookout for updates on JoJo's Wonderland YouTube channel, and until next time, stay frosty, my friends.